Hey everybody, 9:26, 5 seconds, May 8th. This is the final mini for the FF49. What happened here, just in case everybody couldn't follow, is everybody commented basically all at once, or I should say Eric, Aaron, and Greg all commented at once. Everybody basically taking the same spots. So I closed it out. Eric was the first to comment, so he did get his first 4 spots. Greg did ask for spot 8, but he also, I believe, asked for spot 3, which Eric had taken before him. So I closed it out, gave him his spot 8, gave him 5 as a random. Aaron commented on 3 and 4, but again, Eric commented first, so he got those. So I just gave Aaron the final 2 spots. And that's how it all worked out. All right, so we're going to roll the 3 dice. The number is 11. Going to randomize 11 times. Whoever comes in first gets the final 2 spots in the main, which I believe are 18 and 20. I will immediately run the main and find this book a new home. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final one. 11. Aaron Grant, congratulations. Time is 9:27. 27.